Ndizi TV ubwanzu bw'umuguzi.
Jumuri on Ndizi TV na ndene chinga kichinde tokonyana na sumurubiri tuju tokwanda igoro siasa na magendero anene bono na magendero siasa ngagetena ya keira kera kitu gutwara siasa beto twara magendero twara magendero atabwati siasa igo bionsi nigo biko baamo igo litukurana nande twa nyoranire no mogeni witase studio anene kerare kuliye kerogo nachiko todebia usina bora nyono mumanyete nachiko todebia mange ngakibona nyorete keroge kirana nari arengito jokorera anene abantu balia sakurwa usite totebena niga kurkurwa se wodi ya Masike West igotoka kurwa se bungeri ya bobasi ekeronera airete kerokyo bwa MC kurwa se wodi ibono robereri aralia jokorera bamenyi ari abatebeti na chete gaiga atugakwana ria uchikurie kero angemeti nyetato ya erire bone meti nyetato ya erire bono niga ajire buno mwe MC elect tajeti buna uri koligi no ndiri ale kubiri ale koligi nigo abwaterie taringao asing njiri ya siasa konende bono niga beiro mwe MC omojore we wodi ya Masike West ekero abamenyi bensemeri basoga thidariki kianda umutinyo gatano na gatatu bakamwakere kura bono nero mwe MC bwensemeyo baganyete bachigotianiwa endaja kemeroberi bene kondo yire ma ase studio turakwanera turanyuranina narari ari abatebeti agochiko bakorera nandi na kyaro bereti kwena kibuna Masike West ya beire wodi entangani osike magendero ase county ya Kisii nachiko tutebi abya mana mangi bana gona iri bagalia bene gukwalia ni mwanjumuliria ando sia soberede obena inje kurubono goikatwa kuru moroberi oyo na mange na boko bodi boli awetera sinamba irase skini ya urabu na boko mobodi boli rigwetera ase nambe yiri urabu mobodi na neri ya robereti ndi bodi rura ko bol ko ijari beligia ndi beri okurama nande korogo to mali bodi yao toma na ngayokorwa elitali yao enetwa manyana aye ningo na boko na kutubota sense meri mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News digital wega sense moya YouTube na boto nyora Ndizi TV News yoko nyachinga kina boto tweet Ndizi TV News igo na ari kandia kerengel kyao kwetera sinamba irase screen ya urabu gutakora jinza tigamwe alibaga arajaka na introduction tonyurina ningo tuikeruga gachenjeri eda tigara atwa tatura mwarigani karibu sana mheshimiwa asi studio yetu bona bote yumwa jumurina ainingo kwanza
basa mbiyamana sana soko ngalika se studio ya Ndizi TV asamareta group Jacob Warongo bagaka omamsie ochor tukuru Masike West Masike West ye kutoka Liabobasi ase constituency so to boate to ward 45 na njino ya mobile sul bachor to asomwa ko ya senje bokol room ya ketano yes
embe mono iko kwebuni gotona Jacob Warongo bagaka na ina rali ngalinga malieta ase debe mheshimiwa tukatwa Kenya sambia mone kiara wanjiri na kwa bero mu MC bwi ward area nande ni kwa jinga kwa tete ni kwa lingi number 1 ase baroti yural no nya sana na ba wanjiri
bas bono ndato chaka na wakraba abantu baminto ba Masike West mbu ya mono sana etako era soko ngekura actually se baroti na bego tunamba ya messenger papetiko order and na temeta ko le campaign terms yo kulimisha na abantu bali baita banene ase miaka ena kirichukura 4,435 out of 6,800 bali bagete that means I got almost 60-70% of the votes
kwa majitu kujibu Jones
na majitu kunyanga Jones na anda across the world tinyombe ya mago sensema ya between the 18 I scored very well in all the polling stations so abantu baminto bangoro kibonye cyane banene despite ngatwalenga abantu 12 umuntu kaberega batekura 1,160 troje inama bwete kura 3,000 or something na abandende bakabwate tuakote competition ya lengengia etabwate segi lakini abantu baitu bakora bacholi singe jama gandra batebete na bitwara kolramo bakarabambe kenda bakorese myaketa yes
mbuya sana kabisa bono mheshimiwa naliga si jagete usibono nalikwara mina kwa nyore kirgo uje kasi bono nalijagete usibono pad
basi constitutionally gastra chaka asenge njo ntura baswane lakini intumna abantu kunya kwetayarisha tore none karengo cha nona lenge KCFM on Friday na senge ncho kunya kumanya abantu baito nkiya kola kana bunga ga kola ntua promise teke tongolige campaign nga leadership ye myaka ye 5 na beta bauti abantu baito mbamanye mono obugambi tari secret obugambi no bukolere iko na promise ti abantu baitu nganimbe nko batebi mono nkinanyorira gwe ko bagote abantu bakwanda basalika abantu baiko basira bakonyorekana so ekagara nche ngata ko beto tofauti in terms of ko te abantu ba minto nkigendrete muna bona for example nda batebi nga gas formally wa msimbra chaka gas ko sintura tianiwa tora boli bukugoro esenge ncho abantu bali nominated a county assembly ko formed ne speaker deputy speaker na members bali elected na bali nominated so for now abantu bali nominated yo saba MC bali nominated ntora nya list ya beri setted agar to form one house ye county assembly tumago chake bya thara bya assembly asenge yo kuba korde meremo iko bono ntora chaka kasi
ndoro jena litukuria mambi murai bwense ngotiani wale na inoro jena ogotatiani wo kwenu mutaratiani go simutara mutara service officially orojena buna bono bagaka orojena kwa daily magendro market anga wadena don tanga wachake oseo jengo nyorete yake gosibado.
Of course normally kanga baina abantu batiani aba MC actually batiani mapema kuboya no president but because kwa rejento wati by elections na and there was a dispute singate nomination se chipati na kia re irengaki ya delay because remember no nega bana to achara yo mento simbarati no nega si yago te about yokora it requires a budget a budget ya korto of course towards the election but nata get supplementary budget ya gare budget ya line na eman west area ya begete you guys bonus we are talking le heroiga gasi ntracha kakokora of course nkora molinko gandali mna gali stadium most of the time not when on Friday asenge njo kwa head count kumanya abakoli waite gasinga kibale balikire in the form we mna batakire kolikwa elina bako nakonyakora lakini gasi in terms kubeka chibesa chicho kwa chipara chicho kwa mwana ya mache esibono tra korwa asenge njo ntonya tucho mna toko basonin tokore ntoro ke supplementary budget egara chaka bone meremo igo gasi tra chaka formally rate yo monto ire tangible ya magenda respond tra chaka yes
te abantu baba masike westiga bomanya na merobenira se kibiro ane go jorko nyakora ane mo ja gotiani gwa gero muratiani go se mambi go se na bono na murate biwe inkere kiekwe ekero irabana gwatiani we omweshimiwa wajakire gasi ya bono bene inkere kiekwe go jakira ase ward ya masige west oroje na gitakere ogo kia first priority
nango de yabantu mweso nenga lichi kompona akyo to jakinyo kulisoma na kulimanya nani tengo campaign to mai gasi ito biego na so mate as county government act egasi yo MC number 1 is to maintain close contact with electorates na kobange na abantu bagwa chikora kusibe ward yao eyero ningendra ina njakire cause na bono twara twalire amabe make atokira se kenyoro abere ngo attend out of around 10 na chire 9 meaning I am already doing this part yo tabanga maintain close contact na bakikura a year na bakonya kora whether you are sworn in or not but another thing that I have done as a person so what I am see abanga to akolire including I have requested the counter montole a ward admin yani no mo secretary dio ba to commerce ward para o report ye chi project chonsepi chiri chonsepi chire as a ward yani o se ward yete to ko re amasi west which report I'm receiving tomorrow egere ngoroki ngai to status wise nyene obisi yo mwamsie ngai ga chiri gaikar no mo governor na today on Monday receive the report from all the sectorial GCC abatokoro chi minister chi county lero kanya to report kire ward e korok chi berchi abegete se project gete project chire se buogo nkiki akoliru na chekire so the report nte receive kurwa somo ward admin vis-a-vis egana ngwa no mogabana lero gotera chi minister chi chae nko batore to compare tro si chiba sa chia bana inchinchi asirete osonye project ya korok chi bachika rugo nusu yagira na to weti supplementary budget chiba ino included gali to korok project just ma cha kachinya yes
igo bantu te bena binde byo simo bibegete ino da mu mago cha kimeroberi yawe bono ekero kwa faida ya omo Masike West digango mwengo go semberi na bono kugo cha kimerome ibene ward ingo chire kororekana na etanga na si county emeronke ne na isana sikandisi
again to karakyo tima think kira evento bana bwana abantu balia bakari kokora ranking each ward already njana barangiringa after 6 months to 1 year wachi Masike West na bakomba ne 45 obokora bwetombo ya number 1 ngake byesengi njwale ndate bachor to mugabana oyole ngomo ka ke gale around 40 years mugabana simba muro chakolega Saturday even Sunday
tabwati weekend ni ria
county ito the honest truth ngaki county ito ne bwate amakosa mange nto ikaransa gali honest no na biso kotegere bintu binde na boku kuminga eno bosongo nera o stage I had an experience yo ikaransa alia on Saturday no mugabana asinge nje goveti abantu barebenyo abantu abanga almost 300 do you know akara mugabana arwete libaga asaba abantu bali barebenyo ngabantu barabaka tukibesa 60000 wakano chie ebengi yaga account and kwairani which is exactly 45000 actually abantu bakatenda no ngango to umero 60000 chiache account yao kwairani 45 kwaira 15 which you have not worked for so such things na bibi to kantana kolikerelia akara chibase chichobo nyinga chiachira sobo kurumi chirane chikolega sino kura maliogo na kure machipara igobo kolere bwa itombo chikobeto bauti sana ngake to mwamusie esibono takolega sitima dinki atakola because at the end of the day the governor na bate goodwill ngo ni boro bara ba msie na intunto mo support to the extent yo kumeke sheria na cross policies whether at the county assembly chiko support effective governance egerega sia korwe rengi ya igopo kolere bwa Masike West weka babe goromono orocho already na chakere kolegi partners na koroki kitabu kera ekuro somo ndo ngali inchiru he was a pressman for the last 40 years. He worked na Moi, worked na Kibaki. Alipata State House kuruma mpaka Marago. Naona alingi boy igoro. Na kiara nyoru kidogo. I sat with this man, we talked at length. Oyo monto kore serikali in the corridors of power for a long time. He has insight and a lot of experience. So I have learned one or two. And these people I want what I can promise my people now because if you are na kore binge paka chinse chisiko I will want to support them beyond erebenye tokonyore tokurwe as a assembly na executive ye county. I will also want to bring in people nona mangana yogo kini birengere bieta sabasai in terms of doing business amangana yoko ata project na mangana yoko tuga obutugi bwe chingo kone chiombe asabangina ni bintu binde binge tora kale beyond just kule machipara na cross nyakita na kweka maliogo tutageta abantu baito 5 years from now umo masiga igunga na leto about in terms of konyora kwabo nobo manyibwabo asingi joko gendele skredituko yes
mbi mono mweshimiwa mbi mono mwanjumuri karo igwete na ni gotore no mweshimiwa Jacobo barongo bagaka kero twendete gukwanira igoro na kiemeroberi yaye abegete ase wodi ya Masike West ekera deberuna niga abegete meroberi miya agochikwenda kibona Masike West ngojiere koba intangani gosetangana kimagendero ase county ya Kisii unyura ase county ya Kisii ni gotsibwade ji wodi emerongene na isano igoteberuna nere gochikoba intangani ekinde jimaye kubwati ndoma yana najigo igirani ayo bonete kumusabira nyasaye nayo mwanjumuri no maite na osekerurabu no semerete na najiko igirani ugende gutoma ujumbe yao nindoje na mwendete kutubwati ya sense meri yemetanda unyurana nsema ya Facebook ni moto nyorana Ndis TV News Digital abuno goto nyora sense ya Facebook sense ya YouTube ni goto nyora Ndis TV News asense meri ya Twitter na goto tweet @Ndis TV News genda gutumekera kia gutira sina mbera siskini yegura bwena mbeibo igo ni ra sense meri ya WhatsApp osigenda sense meri mitanda goto bwate diorro asenara bako kuna live chat na boko chat kwa to SMS yao gogisomande asika kere gochibosia kegende turigere na narali ali mweshimwe kwa tebiruna magenda ngo jara sense meyo ya ozinda kubona roje state Simba acha kire kurigere account nechiko bakonya buna ayumwe muzie eri kwene kibuna ewodi yao ya kinri kiana banya abantu bari bakurwali na bagere to bokurumi ewodi enjakin
bas ndate whatever I have sat in those meetings abantu abange bamati Simba muno monto bwese maybe ndiri yange kori chikura kwirwana ralenge but no monto what a lot of experience and what a goodwill which is our career account tolgeli ndune ka kora for example boni ga advice nero ya rwete control of budget abatanga Kisii county tutakiri konyora besa chito chia allocation asengenjo toligeta abantu bagwa kono mishahara 58% of the total revenue. Kisii county on average equals 11 billion per year. It means almost 7 to 8 billion goes wakana tu mishahara ya bantu bana batayo koragasi usaba bana batari qualified yokaje chiri bakora so igente ka gokora kuira ni wage period to 35% ego tutika chibasa almost 70% asengenjo ya magendero na ya magendero abata banta bange chencho royomo aba ba Masike West they were almost 20,000 baka bana ndeke ko kero montamo inchino yomo musaro ne to kuba more important kubwa bali bonse bakalenga over 20,000 citizens within my ward. So that's why Simba is working so hard. Tura work from the wage bill, tura keye meshahara y'abantu kuruga ali ya 58% toche recommended ya 35% na recommended na control of budget nerichiko. Tokwira na tuna at least 40% na bagi yatanti kidogo chiba chichiko available asing in development. Development na rekuno mwananchi. E basari na rekuno mwananchi. Muna for the last 4 years into about the basari. But we have promised our people inga a basari na yamana. I remember I told you kana chitega iga ngankurunde basari. It is true na lengo kungaina. Nchako bagaka nkurunde basari ya 3,000 kilo mwana kwenda university. Yeah, ne personal which I have given. Taringo chakurwa. Every year I will give. I promise to give abana 400. Kero mwaka bakaenda university kuri ward yana. That's 1.2 million. Nguru wetrese company yana. Lakini naende orocho mwananchi yo ngwa kanale SS, ngwa kanale tax, ngwa kanale rogole esimi ne bwate ushuru. Ngwa rale sukali ne bwate ushuru. Mwananchi yo allocation to 11 billion. Ngizigara to akana abantu bakeigo 300 goseli bwa yamo billion 8 abalende bonse pakalenka. Ebara banke monomate kisi county abamenye bara almost 1 million. Abantu 1 million intuturi kire county total aba musina abafanyakazi ntogwetani rubine. Orocho 4,000 people bali 8 billion ababande bonse pia magana right ons pakenya gitali kire to only 4 billion or 3 billion. It doesn't make sense. Eta kire tori chinke egera para banyoli chinyinge sinja magendra. That's what we are working on.
Iga kwate nangwa ora abana chiri busato ase kurwe kiti kyao. Ochiko kendre go kerua buno mheshimiwa bono goseni go chikotumie pasa riri account.
For the next 5 years kero mwaka ngorunde basari ya 3,000 kero mwana okagende school plus chitoko litie county tutatobe kichiba chie county almost 200 million asenge nje basari chiko bekwa se basari omonto kurmasike west Eita akonyo ale county nyane ya Jacobo usanyo ale county yoka usanyo ale ya Jacobo yoka monte uchikwira mwana school na bamo tenengo so motakabira konyara basari ndio ntuse ito kingeko yes
embe mono mheshimiwa karora de to karo to ndete ko era so ndete ko kwana ayubie konto de mheshimiwa to aligireri amangana ale development unit city ocho korere miremo ekiraji section njire chiri serikali ya ndete ko che county chizo jigo korere miremo to bwa heritage to bwa education to bwa agriculture to bwa mbaka maje goje lakini to kira sensemo ya education yiwa kwanire na kiwoji kwenda kiune birengo biyisem bya kinire anna sensemo ya ICD ase ewodi yawo ebirasi mna gwa choru kwarore ebirasi mbyaga jiri bya ICD ase ewodi yawo
bona a preliminary report na nyore to koroso moda admin nyetera akoro biye kana mtatinta gete onyo kondikara lyo ngonjo ebwate karasi kegete eritos utageto akebicha so they can go to report ye gaba nanga mutaka kinkonye to kole krasi yekeiga it's something I have na mata konye bagalio kwenda krasi lakini nche na bongo nyara ko gende wodi ya nenkole so once ya ngere report I will go around na nenkole ntande bintebiga egere to kole bibi korte biroro situation ye to education in terms of ECD igere mbebobe I was telling people at some point nindo see a model ebwata bakage ntoko go swing gato no kamate aliyeso mwana gocho ona go swing go ya that one I would do it in one of the schools in my ward that one thing wesa tingo rusia se county igonda rusia chianeke mbaka olere meremeyu asingi joko boroki antuteta bana bitu bakoleki basoma isi ndimo atana bo boroso bwa masomo omwana ona gale class ibere omwana ona class ibere ibere bana ali grade tunere ko ibere grade bueno omwana oyo the truth igesongo gambwete sometimes they karago nkwanera ngotakana halifa was namboli kinki kemityo explain what it means in other words uboroso bobo agaigo mwana yo gochaka bono
no akuruseru
yes ibinte barantanga CBC ngokonya bira abana sana so ko ngona okole binte bingi abana baito bankaga egontagete na bira bempanyore amasomo nali akana Nairobi lakini banyore something equivalent umwana abwate materials cyo gosoma agwate ndi class can you imagine umwana ole 3 years secondary school 4 years tali konyurongoli paka saa 7 you see mwana makole 3 years tata kirio soma kwa mpaka mara baba alinkora Nairobi ba kurara paka chima tole singo ratole umwana ikasaina iga ora arara because umwana makobongo bwa embra develop fully na bogo nyagokina bono ga gusi we may not be to achieve 100% gokinie birasi but we will work very hard asense meyo ko make sure at least ekirasi kirakis ba somera ne penchi ba kan solo bro ba kan salam pikor tek biro to mai korang kitura akona to ngina data partners na baro siru ngoli oboli saine na robanyo because there are not so many biri binge within the world tali kre skure what is it so we are working on that current situation teringia but our hope is after 5 years, because even the governor has promised. Umate can take yangalinga, ti promise na aruete, ke tu ikarante na to vote klo montadi ke promise yae, against each yae. Akanyor all of us, itu nguru ti promise bika ni chia. So ndo yuko collide anywhere. Ekane ngukwane ngole viras, na rabi buate se manifesto yae. Meaning, ta negras to buate balance.
Na bari mbaisi.
Abari baisi bara mbali kire, na nede na igwete mbabete given some permanent status contract ya wate shida, baro seretu. So for now, of course, they are not enough. When it's going to yabo, was over, is it 52? But you want to So what they have done is to complement So if we start first of all, put up the structure. So when I was to my next to the capacity bono. Because once you put the structure, someone else it will attract more. Abaibodi abankorenta abana kaiga. Kuateteras mabaide se private. Abana bago chabono. The demand will be higher. Ekimbata abana roche. Abana go 60. Mata kero mata kero go teach abana 20 maximum the class. Onye go tata bayi go jabana baba ke go pata activities singing. So it would necessitate bono to iran toli kabali abali. So let's start by building the structures. Trosi environment ringe yago soma. To my go jabana to iran back and say do we have the capacity in terms of training and skills? Yabanta bako soma go. Then we go back to.
Embi mona sense me ye semi mheshimiwa chipara jagwe Masiki West ngwete gajire.
Boniga
na ndu nanjiri weteka ese miake yora abobisi kya to tana ne tan na boteba ne bora be komi o setano nete inchieteke na jiri
bono e word ya ne very unique bo atero gorna mat like mo msumo tanga ni garwete mat yo kabera karogor bono nkabatebia inche bono nkuru katikati like tali katikati ndu etrende lakini nta itakobo monto le balance tin turusio mat na rogor na dakiro bakanga chikurabo. They voted all of them regardless of what the candidate they gave me number 1 across the world. So currently there are roads completely tied. Muna parete kurasa kumatangamano agende echiko so karian chaga gendo mosasa ega liero ko gendo ya bono to gweta anyway ise go to kara to gweta. What I did ekertenko kuna go discuss gali I requested ntate kurarora how much would it cost koleme para chiri isato chiro anga isato ga chimbepi of course chine chiri gweta kabuya pati kare mbure tayo gweta pati chiro no na kare mbure tayo chitai gweta ka. So I got a small quotation yoko kwara chipare chirange 4 mostly chiri gweta lowa masige asenga njine chiri the worst this current status. So I decided I'll put in some money nke go chiane ndara chingura ekerembre ya keira ke kona ndoshikole mekare kiembura ekobatuero ngolimba gweta. So I've already talked to the contractor as well as gekolo bakole na gote we county might take us to January so kole machipara ntokole mabono because now the budget nkoro swere echiwetiwa takes a process but banta buru chimba gweta gari ya chate gweta monto na asira te konyara sa gwetu unabona ali mosora there's a time mwaka keta asira I had to pay money nda tomoro mchiga libere nda umora itere because wona nchomo amsie. So I can't do that every day. I decided nyore quotation ndeme chipare chire sato from my pocket chira eteka
chibesi ya oji gutumia
chira ndichana ngotumia chieteke toganyere tende county ebe kentu nini progress tumaeko kore
ibono mheshimiwa watebena ne chibesi ya oji gutumika ngakimo Masiki West are gende bono chibesi ni cha gutumika nandi na toju chimenta ojibosia kare budget ya sokiri kero mheshimiwa na wadana nandi ya chiaba no might.
Yes, the truth is omo MCA tarashara ko ibere bono tigante beka
ngora ko ibere
because omo tra ko no mugabana na executive omo MCA actually gasi ya tino no ko machipaleji is because of good guruche sabanto we katoka le binti yako no ntino tokuru no to wetera njira te yo ndale me para nchako beka ese kwerende ese budget e pare go chiaba surveyed ya rokane status abantu batu mubakora quotations chiaga nda executive bachore contract ya kokora pona tendo butati muna pona ndo chinjeti na igotega bana goteba atetera ko lebiragi ebiragita. So there is no way a manage to toka ekrete gocha kerigi sub county ya nyamache. So what I need to do as Omwa Masiki West no koru lati banga kuchakera January paka February ekrete kamyata buone kereme chipara tindi kwa gubeza ekrete ke gocha fiscal ya koleki kereme. So I cannot return the money yako gara taripa sanko ewa ne ekrete na chokoraki gocha kwa ewa nelia tuisikuwa nyafanata 4 months mwanya bantu tari bonse bara understanding anja kobo bara chaka koragas na bara sukuru mano ya tonga inete ochire bono tai koragas because un monto wetali ne para korete ataka
baje kurta magena
na bere so I decided asengencho ejere mbepi pare yo because mata it is so bad go spend around 400,000 nko basara nalenge the truth that nas tumia techi basa kwa chitari chinga usikuwa kwa sukali so it's not harmful niko nyondia campaign yaka kantoka 100 so the same man ngete kwa ndamba kwa sukali tikamba mere pale yes yete ketu
mwajumuri ni otore na Jacob Barongo oyoro MCA o Masige West egrande gote abuna na kibono karo iruri baga na ba menyi bense meyu ngakya ujuko bakora mere motu afwanira mane yigiskuru anene ase mangana ali ICD otebira ngakya ujuko bege merobere nantu bekera sipara otebira na mage budget dara soka ye county nere ngo jar koso yoko boko mabuko aro seria bando chibare kyana ba mo chorde nande dika lioko nyako ba beso sinemia bono oteri natika aro sipara kula sense megenda utoma libuliao ose comment yao ose como pongeza wetera senamba era se skin ya urabu kero to endete kunya koligereria magendero agwest Masige West umo enyomba yomo ye ward nerete asebunge ya West ya bas West yani Masige West kusemba ujwenja kiarangwa gachiari
Masige West obisnere yagachire ebe kira mabatra kintebuga ati trabe kutrisha yabe kitrisha trabe kumurangu na ndra kuprasta tri gutumeka at the moment eba komboto obisi I got a call after now elected after 3 days kumwoda admin yakangakira kanti basere kurobisiri yarenge ya komboy
iba komboy
nkia go sere ligumbana kwa kana rent for the last 1 year manya no sikiro chine package file oire keregen so Masige West bwati obisi na ndene tutraso account assembly tumanye procedure yoko kompo bisiende na boto kompa temporary tuteto koro bisili maybe yung alang kwa nere sector ya health for a minute
ngo katore ngo kwenye kwano mheshimiwa
yes bono as a sector ya health ntobwate application sana mese award yana gions application ne bwate nyakitane kuri yabo liyabe ya chagete omwako oyo mwaga gebere ko chimaega lakini I'm happy I win number konyolera mariogo but still nyakitali nero ya Gionse SDA erebono wetra nyanjo no mate amana ye kanisa nyakitali yote requested me turochibono ere ye kanisa enyombe babwateri ngo mo pastor bakanyitwa a clinic nera konyera abantu baito because Gionse application era nepe so I decided to give them drugs I got drugs tia 50,000 chinko bairo on Wednesday chine chane chinko bairo on Wednesday babe kase eri yabo konyo lere serikali yero yose nere nyora malioga ya 50,000 babe kemana ne stock baoneli tujina oneli tukol selinje kurwese Chucks Pharmacy baraba enda banya oneli godrelike lakini ba make sure I told them they have to make sure amalioga na nyakitali tu ekona utamaliga on most on sp make like napoko kandobe tu esindani ya tramadol nere the strongest painkiller bono mungno rwari tali na bakwenda Gionse usiri yabo arwaliwe libakwenda bakanyamaje so that one go to a call this application hiyo toko genda mosora issue to bwate mosora se dispensary ebwate munyakitali yo makira barangwe meeting bono ego siekwa so to genda aturigirari amangana ye committee rororo the same time kuliri obokoreri in terms of nyakitali ngakira be cover modeled eto nona kala laboratory
iwe ko dana nyakitali njibwate mchana
ke njiraba ya bisiero te bwate pi and I told the governor Onya gatete konkonya as a friend because I also campaigned for him and I know him is my neighbor in Nairobi so I told him ngentara nkonya no kombekera neba ne chirumu ibere ali nyabisia na brabu access application banyone nyagitari and maybe to finish ntobwate ntokoroka dental medical camp abantu baito ebintu ko chikaba bire buya ntagete ko baroli amaino bonse pi ditukulia Jumatano abasongo mbara bakuru bagochi cyabasongo
Jumatano yiki
mambi ende tara 14 ngobe kind of course egari nango terese njogo tangasa Jumatano okuru ali gufuri pako kuruswe lino nya risarigete ukosibwa maino nya achenjirie kara onye gotaite feeling liko field at no cost ngwa kana twale nge dono pa person akabasa kasinini I told them barra banta bonse pi banto mere pil because this are my banga tichukura chingi paka ngosoka ko gandoro because they really helped me kongega siyiga so unto what a medical camp in terms of health yokuroli ya maino enanye begete ekoronya chenke dispensary so on Wednesday na dasa kolisa bali batagerete na moti ya bamino na bangana bamino balenga gali Jumatano chinsa isato chia mambia bato kasa kurunya chenge asengenjo yokurwaliwa amaino any problem bota samaino kuse question bota tatu kuya basonga babako cha kurungumbu bachiche for the whole day kuchakra saa 3 mpaka saa 10 na wabanya chengesa nini
mbe mono mheshimiwa bono mete mechande neroro totebe na gose 2027 gwachire koligi obochumbe totebe bwabo basi nando mundu gocha gosonera acha konyore mechande gose kwamwire konye korabi ekiara ndo jena ene miaka 10 isoto chake devolution lakini mechando ne eli erase binyoro bitu.
The truth is that mechando teko era ise ko nya saga ko irana mechando teko era because ntoge andrete ko ibora abana komite na gante ko galea na mahitaji ya bantu na nagante ko galea teko era lakini we struggle to improve egero yo gochenera nyole achakira segete oyo korete 2013 for example na igeti obicha saigete kanga na yo chete 2017 kanga na nyi korete kanga bando ko kwanda gente ina mistake ya beta actually 2013 to 2017 in my own opinion egasi ya korto kidogo but I think because the governor was going home ngagete there was a big of laxity bobas mo msida yurante no yo once pinaba gentole meaning obo koleli bwaba MC ba 2017 to 2022 was bad na ne ba chita
bakara na no jaba 2013 bari baira ne
ba 2013 because honest you go compare 2013 na 2017 okay as a person ni report na ranyo renke yo there's nothing ekodre sipokuwa mepichi parachi ngune tu ibirisa to abantu mba bete bit selfish na again to na gote bikiri gari ese county government act egasi yo mamsi number 1 is to maintain close contact na ba akiekura na beli kirego close yani nga obanga na ba akiekura orienta maramisha ba sebunge
kena ba gutombe
ekikira kyo kia bolite mune word yani that's why into every opportunity nkonyora yo kogenda anka koberna abantu ba minto gusiko babwatesia igonko ikororo because ikineregasi ane tangani ko ikoronyi wa maramisha yabo egaranya lente yes
embe mono mheshimiwa tia soma SMS uzi torore bali me yumroberio nera ko kuna Benlodich Nyariki out there tuned in from Rianyabaro Getale out there no ali me yumrombe mono Deborah Miyungo out there tuned in from Kakamega Chakubagaka Isarida to watch and emirate is our Masige West president miamono odena muraye monene bwe Masige West embiamono an nara odena mairida mbiamono Samuel Miyungo out there for you live from Inani Gionseri Masige West Jacobo Netaya our future governor Kisii County mbiamono Aura Duke out there Aura Duke tuned from Mosora out there no ali me yomero lil nyachazi out there our leader Obama Jr. We have greater hopes in him to transform our world. Etu ba ko tayra no Obama Jr. Embiamono Ogesh Kings Jones tuned in from Inani Chakubo Bagaka Isa leader to watch and emulate. Mbiamono Eriki Omongusi tuned in from Nyanza Kia Village Masige West. Honorable JBB is a leader of action. Mbiamono Oguta Jeremiah tuned in tunamwamini yani goba kuamini kabisa. Josephat K Ochio tuned from Nyachenge. John Magomel Pastor John Magomel from Egetugi mapema mbia. I think ene zero ya untra yeba yaringi mapema mbia nande mapema yabe mbia mono Reni Onyango, congratulations to our MCA mapema mbia Masige erabe Kemam Sharon out there mheshimiwa is doing well in development Monteverde. What is going to do with education in his ward in terms of sports in schools and empowering them na kukuza talanta shule asa inero kujutu kwa ndanga ki rende birengo byoko kini chitaranta Leni Onyango ga kimbore liyo murayo ito iga para ya nyamache Gionseri Mogonga naki aratokonye ekiagera ya beire omugondo parene yo mwemje ene mochumbe bono no jugo to eresa kirindora ora kwane no mochumbe ende munyar mogorane para yo MCA ne yo mochumbe ya magorosiwa ngakimogo chiko bobo amate na Innocent Obiri Oguta Jeremiah from Mosora tuned Jacobo Isawa Masige West Xavier he will transform our world. Miamono asibari bandate kutomaji SMS chino goja se studio wetera sense meli yemitandao nindo je jinda asesi mi ende asinambire skine ngo jisomande inugenda uchitoma tikatora nande tora kwana ake no mheshimiwa yakiwa no jogoro bwa mate bwao no mochumbe bwe bunge ende abantu bakonye kechipare
egonda tebenga na betala kiake cause mochumbe chorwa abantu bangoli kiro kyo chuba banga basana bana and Mochumba Ochorwa is my close friend even before Njago Choro. So when Karatu Akurta Bachor into Menate Nyamache, we had talked before. We talked and I told him eshita tobuata say to especially epale yokwana mnabana yakuru ogembo yachiko ganda yachiko bwata gochigale is under construction era mi kobeko. That's a good work. Tumanya goche kurua mugonga matuta yagenda paka aunya mache yakwaniru ene pare agera bachumbe bachirenga abange muna manoti nere amaruseti epale ne pale ne gotumeka mone bwata lot of activities and yaru oro yachiko bwata nere gochi east yana pakemenwa epale ne takiriko bekweramu so usine tabe kweramu nyeteli epoko bekweramu ne bekwa triste be all weather roads dani njira nyine chipara chikolemwa yabe ko moro mumuya yabe kuna chikarabati chiga yaite karne yabe mbrage tuete drone chiarosu so at least I told him and when we finished Rome achiete he went to Rome for some time he came back for swearing in and he promised inje coordinator base saba MCA he promised me once he comes back etokomera ba MCA once ba so that we sit together to colleague asia monto to resegi na ya better last time to tete kote masana this time not like record resegi etayo ese bunge etayo ese executive to colleague asia harmoniously asen tio konya bantu baito tu ensegi telingia asoborai
na roboli goro ya mangana sports talent kiaro mete ndubate ministry ya sports culture ase count ina kinero goji ko rigirali endo imokebirengo bia sports ne talent
perfect ndubate amangana sports na talent nerne bate ndubate sis ndubate sector tukujuraga secretarial committees ndubate sector gaya so we will work first of all as a person we will work na committee ya ito ya bunge secretarial committee ya sports no mo minister abekwe negaban of course as a lot of is a young person to understand thing abantu bete kare idol eba ko ba devils workshop okonya bataki kwengece samwana ya madawa ya kulevya ne bintu binde so it will be a good thought nga abantu abaito ba engaged as a person I have sponsored before volleyball tournaments December I do a lot of sports almost every year I sponsor company kurunga Obama Junior Cup so to kora I will continue on the personal side but from the government side we strive so much to balance tibase jingo to kachire but normally konyora echiko korobo kurumi mana na a lot of things yo koruga tibase chiko ibwa but looking at how the government is doing I want just to trust and I always tell him we tell him when we are talking to him I wish he can keep the momentum I trust these things will change a big deal. Eta sport chirororo eta ateba sakurima. Eta agandra walk.
Yes and nao tena napenda MCA niko kutoka Mosora mimi ni Deno au tena niga wanje kabisa sali yemirimo ya okora Halipat Siro kutoka Nyachenge say hi to Mheshimiwa Bagaka congratulations au tena kwa Kirembia and this TV ni Daniel Okiri from Mosora ni gotore no gosemeria konene kumugambi oyo ekegera no mugambi nande na isaine mbie mono Ronald Siro kutoka Nyachenge Masike West inasema siku njema uonekana asubuhi Jacobo Netaya Woka mbie mono keromwenda totomo uchumbe ino kutoka Sironga ni Nyakundi pamoja na mama Nyanjoka Johnny na Kirubo baatani batu bwatetia somorobelio oyakaro twenda teko kwanda igoro ye wodi ya Masike West iyo toka sebunge ya babasi karotode no mheshimiwa Jacobo Barongo Bagaka oibono oromwe MCA wensemeyo ni garomwe MCA mojole bagotia ni ubono ko baromwe MCA bene asensemeyo ende agendere gukora imirimo na ende gukora imirimo asensemeyo lakini bono gagotia ni ubene otebira jikobeke mirobelio ya bene kwena kimuna ngaki agosuki wodi iyo ya Masike West igoro mheshimiwa karotode tunya gukwana 2013 mpaka 2017 MMC orengo no mungao 2017 to 2022 MMC orengo no mungao na yabona kwaso 2022 mpaka nende tote miaka 5 yobora ma uchikoliki nande ekendeke nkuma jigergora na Masike West mpaka likwira ni morai
na gotebi our predicament MMC okorto motanganio omweshimiwa Peter Mali igarenge kurua sema ya maate nto abate nkate divisions bono credit chikura actually abantu ba inkuru nsema yaro babuto ngakia korero because abaro ngomba bato montobo na ba mate ba bato montobo sekabe bagwa kachikura kinyumba nyumba iri bata banta bangi yakoraki yaira Omwamusi okabere agacha akaruna sema ya ruguru bari bagatiana ni bagachamo bagakeroyo oyomo so ngacha ngabatebya bari bono baruguru bagafiri tam 1 ya mate ya benefited abaruguru bagatiana ni bagasoyimena barabu bagakeroyo ruguru egere na ruguru ba benefit aba mate bakunga ruguru ne ba benefit kubwa mate so this time ngabatebya injeno moketina mayama na inyomba mono I want aso wanja kwaino monge chikura mwensi kusimwa kechikura uniform without looking asenyo bandwete usero kurugusema ate eger tutikoita mara yechinyomba and you know abantu bankani ya Jacobo musari tokonyo chikura musora tokonyo chikura do you know I was number 1 in all those polling stations I got 4,435 chile chikura chinyingi pia ase kwende itoga ya kisi assembly jemba chikura chinyingi pia esenge ncho yeyo bona kutwa tore balanced leadership eyo chugoite ngento kiriyo ko taira nyomo monto because yo bagachire bata rugoro yairire tonse bitoga na mate yairire tonse bitonde rugo bona this time the eastern bacha to monto maka for the first time tima tingi ya bata but goika kwengoika 60 ora arita yo mago choro na bantu tu akorego ola wa mcs first time bancho ora tam 34 years now na siro koro bos aiwana so no bokoleri yo boto bwate abantu mpama chitkurigireria etabiyo monto obokoleri na boigo bakataka kutiga mana enyomba bara because bakayabo batanga abagaka bangonga tuyabo iri enyomba like bebire singa enyomba kitabakorwa bakamwa ochoromora inchebono na kyo chinta ko disappoint because ingise ko disappoint abantu bamasikinjira bangakira chikura bakati bakabantu bamwabo yusimna mheshimiwa Pito Mali is a good man na agambetiri tangani pati abantu bamusali bakati abateto chore chakobo tari na ngomu yakomobwa but you see they decided konchora singe njogo tike nyomba ne bintu
iko bona kutota na aba maski west bona tika bamanyi no mukenyomba bwerire kento kero na magendo
bwerire barabu akantego
iko chakobo bokore
nyomba ije nabo korete because ebangete bira kujali egetuo enyomba rugoro gosemate ebangeta cross ngate bano nyomba bwerire bono ninchenda egasiere asinde tari esebale mpakolere egere baro ngente bakorete nekia yes
engineer Kefu watching live from Getale Gionseri sublocation kudos kwa mheshimiwa kwa kazi nzuri mapema mbuya Chakobo Netaya Isaka kutoka Nyamira umurai okororekana mapema otana nigo kororekana mapema igo nere ogotambwire ikaronta tekorire liberto enda somutimo komokeo tomakwirana nara gorokona Joseph onsiemo be present good job make our world great unite and enlighten our people let us come together and invite every good opinion and innovations that will propel our world ahead Joseph onsiemo master Lebanon nyariki out there ku Nairobi mheshimiwa doing good Oguta Jeremiah from Mosoratund turned Dundi Jacob Isawa Masige West Savior, he will transform our world to the next level. Mbia mono, ekarmuendrete goto bwatia ase mambia. Ekarmuendrete goto bwatia ase umuru video yoto endrete kukwana no mheshimiwa. Teturenda sense media ndiye studio tokwirana, tora kwanda agriculture, nekarto korane birengo bibutaka mbia endrete korora kobase orogongo rogusi. Ngakiutu gochukura gwetera sense media ya agriculture osobole. Teturenda sense media studio, ya kabere toska, gwena tora sentundende ya kabere.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi omulyereria bwa televishoni ya Ndizi TV bono nabukura ly'obuncholia bwawo ase televishoni ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi ery'obwikere abalyereria kurwa chikaunti isano na ibire ekyo kirasorogonko rwa Nyanza nabo igo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti isano na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo eryotogwikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito ekyo kirase nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe Wima Electricals and Electronics nabaonia bebinto byokuiga kistima na electronics cyo gutumika nyumba buna chi TV set, chi decoder, chi hoover, chi birika cyukoberia mache, DVD players, chi machine cyukogingira, ebirobu byestima bichi aina ao. Power extensions, showers, consumer units, solar panels, inverters, industrial sockets, switch boxes, cooker sockets, circuit breakers, chibasi chokobasiri chianga, chi insulator switches, chi tester chistima, chi meter boxes, nebinde binge. Nigobare imeyomo chokisi, asinyumba ya Guzi Plaza, room number G2. Naboko bakiresimi ase namba enoti isano na ibere eyemo isano enoti marakabere kianda isano na isato ibere isano na ibere gose enoti isano na ibere eyemo isano na isato isano nemo enoti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere. Wima Electricals and Electronics, the best electricals in town.
Eduka yobonchoreria ya Kisii Mart Mega nigo togukoreria amangana maya igoro yebinto ao tokonia. Asensemo ya electronics nigo tobwate chi fridge, chi dispenser, chi washing machines, chi TV set, chi generator, chi microwave gati ye chinde. Ntobwate chi dining tables, chi sofa sets, chi TV stand, ebitanda, chi coffee tables, ebirogo byogo ikaransa gose office seats, ebinto byabolere ngamona emeito yebirengo ao chi duvet, amarangeti, chineti chogotanga chiumbu, ebinto bya jikoni boigonto buate, chi thermos, chi hotpots, chi sani, ebikombe, chi pressure cookers, chindagira boigo ntobuate buna emechere, amasia mandasi, amaguta yogo karanga, boigo ntobuate bakery aito yokoroseria emegati. Ebikoroto nigotobuate bye chingencho ao buna ebye skuru, cashews, chirabas, sport shoes, asabanchi bebinyuwa ntora abatiga magega, asengencho ntobuate nsemo ya wines and spirits, ase morego kie chianga boigo ntobuate chia latest design, chia bana abasubati amo nabasacha. Ensemo yokogo kiabana ntobuate chi toys ao chinyange nebinto binde. Asebalia mobwate chigali timo baisakoya amase asengencho nigo tobuate libaga ligale asemo kwegeka chigali chaino nobolendi bwebirengo byeigoro nigo togotoka asomochie okisi epare nene ya Kisii Kisumu mbarabare namagacho akwanza building. Kisii Mart Mega, the only money saver in town.
Enyagitari ya Worldfit Health Center iyigotoka imejuma chokisi nigikorwa bokorori bwa conventional medicine, nutritional medicine na herbal medicine.
We are professionals, tunabanyagitari tusomete enchira ya kawaida yokurwa ya marwaire tukuruka nga conventional medicine, nutritional medicine and herbal in Malaysia. So ekero montago chesinya gitari yeito ntutoko make sure nga tuapimiro murwere bya twakorere diagnosis
boigo mbugwato bokoreri bunde buna general consultation okorengwa as laboratory, nutrition services, nutritional assessment, weight management, sports nutrition, natural and organic eating, plant-based nutrition, no bondo bonge.
So na kitoko karo montachiro bisito toko make sure nga twamwa device nutritionally ngakia koirena ngakia guitanga kuruko soko nyora morwe itogo tumia amarioga kawaida aitogo tatogo na conventional medicine twatumia mariogo akurwa sendagira munabono vitamins ama fatty acids na ndito mwenye gutumia amarioga akurukunga herbal medicine no tole enyomba ya Uhuru Plaza Gabo Songo goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A and then tubuate branch mu Eldoret enyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2 nani ntubwate branch ndumuchi Okaratina opposite Absa Bank.
Worldfit Health Center. We are different, best because we have knowledge on how to treat using both ways. Ndizi TV. Obwansu bw'omugusi.
Omwanju murekana to tobwati anene karotora sumur bido kwanda siasa na magendra se rogongo ridrosi idgore ni gotwa minyoka to ikase wodi ya Masike West karotora no mheshimiwa Jacob Boga Kabarongo karotora ndete kwanda igoro ya Masike West meroberi kia bekire no mumsie ebwe wodi ye jukone kubune miaka 5 iyo rebosio naki wodi yego jigo saseri anene otere buna ni gabete meroberi ya bene kwene kubune wodi iyo nere juko bentanga ni gosego juko tangana gojukwera libaga litangani ase county ya Kisii no tubwate jigwodi merongene na isano igote biruna nere goja gusaseri igongo ja kobare oyome katoja goike miaka 5 ya kato kwa ranking ye jigwodi na bara bentangani kiana round bari kiregana na isaine na nyare igotwarina nere bate benita ya kurwa sense media Masike West ngondo ndeta kolingo twara kwenda jiskuru twakenda mangana afya twakwana ile chipara kwanande tata tura kwanda igoro ya agrigaja antukwana ne jichiro chense media kya chiro bereti tura jakira sense mo yoboremi agrigaja torena ngakimero bili arebe kira sense meyo mheshimiwa karibu nande tatura kwana ngense mo ya agrigaja ngakyonyero chera se wodi yao
asesema ya obolemi tunavokolo kusagireja nero bolemi asamana yo bolemi no maita abantu baita banke paka mama bategemea tamana yo bolemi basimagete ebimeri mbali no buntugi asamana yo bolemi obolemi bwetu baberoboke etakeire ngabono abantu baitulira baliri babwaterike uritumie buya gusutwale musurengiya agera kwa matoke aramange murabono nje nindemete asakuru kunyandarwa chia bakadi chikuru kuhasi chibarenta musure ye kwa mensi nini lakini yarenta yenge kene turata ko introduce
resimeza bwato
njimeta bakari chinyinge around 5 acres
so no ndindu bwato murobiri bo bole mino bonda ngo kwana muri no muswati okoro na muranda nera koro muri
very good so ebento nabiri karankulira maite egento kene kiagarte mepinga boli kero abantu batamanyenti na temne kuratara sana na chiri chinse chisiko na liro na bantu bakole bintu okonya bona bono tentu minyandaru as an example so kulimbo kumeta sana bwe chiombe ne kurende na tema kutomana na chiombe okonya lo monta bwate ngombe yemo ekuruse ne rumia moja 50 lakini okoma mabera bwete chiombe mama bwate 10 warole bono kurageria ngombe yemo na kunyirwali ere operation cost erense kubwa kurwali chombo 20 chikwa mabere chita isano yege yeme kurwa malide chibe mabere 60 liters ese nje buli momboyo ntokwanira mangana yago kokutuge ngombe yemo lakini rako amatokea mange kubwa kutuga chinyinge chibwa to bokore boli goro kolika bafanyikazi koleki umakonyera mabere ngane bo tocha samana yo boleme ebi malimbero for kamne gosmeka gosne cabbage gose sukuma amanagu na kobeka mbolea na kumanya mangana soil na boli tiga iga auteli mna lero ntubangete meeting ya bobasi kumera sub county sectorial leaders mnanye koromo agriculture bwe county koromo monchine bwe county bwa mache ebitu bindebi nongo chief tanarude gai what we wanted to do etutagete ku understand mna members of county assembly aye mno mu agriculture program kyobwate aschi wodi cheito yako garanto manyetenga lira beli tito to kemelia na bali go pima to ka soil science na bali go pima limanyanga gento kera akora abuja ne sukuma egero mulemi yaba advised for free ekera bera advised amanyanga iso smeke sukuma asumora boyo yomo na ba cross ebesa oyo mwamu ina smeke nyanya bono njembwate sukuma gongo ni liye sukuma oliyo ngono linyanya bono ina ro to kuli market internally number 2 mangana na ya matoke nje within my ward ntobwate collection center enyombe agachirwe sana sakuru kumu bogariro ngonjo etari function which na rente to attention ye gabana actually said he will come eromanyane acha konyero raro ngibanya kolera so what we are thinking is a collection center area akaeresa about matega iga 80s npabwate factory ya matoke ya cross chips ya matoke they are buying 1 kilo Eli talk at 20 bob, of which he said he's going to negotiate chicken on 30 bob. You see, the talk about 20 to 30 kgs, which means the talk about between 600 and 1,000 shillings, depending on each kilo in Galibuate. So, Jabba, me abate Galia, Bakuru, Wangano Mob, Paranta Matokavo, the Badio Connecticut Program Nairobi, Parenta Collection Center, Wapi Machikiro Chiago, HATC, Aba value added, Wakanu, no monto watecha, HI. Roger to want to live on Bobanto. That's what we're looking at. Number 2, Manachi Begas Chombe. A county about a program, I don't know where it went. The problem is sana fertilization yani nga ekara ngombe yakata tembego omo feta na liru county no bwata details chia yo kuma kresimi acha ngombe mbego ya 3000 iliengia kara nyeri ya 3000 you only pay 500 shillings muno mulemi ekara bono to improve quality yebitugo yetugo jeito. Number 3 amangana muna obo tuwe chingoko look at a kestra tora bangina abe nyasaka osene basa ninjemba otwara bangina oba no nengoke ya mone network ngoke ya mone network kijambali abangina abayiga baenda asebyo mbiri byabo tibebe kira mone byombe kwa bachingo kechiga kwa bana chenge tanga ni maybe 10 kgs kwa batenga yekuru kusanga bakorosi ngai usimba bataba paut koigora kere sub county ikundi okorosi chenge yokorosi chimile kulas manya cheki na seto about chenge yiga you see bona ntwacha kwara ebituma biri byaito na bitoko iragalia we have value added yaroseche factory ye kwerende aka factory akagasi naka kengeri kabakanane aka machine akaige kale owned ne women group umuntu kwate bituma nabangi nabo oroche egetuma kya kuonira ukigayo number 2 echenge kwa kuri kuri karte kire raisi engoko kwanyorire usimu akorire mno botugyo boiga 5 years to come akonya kero muntu nabwate something ago atogeri kurose county ya asakuru ekwenda gochi yes so amana agriculture ale broad but we will look at them in terms of correct subsidies asing ntyo konya bantu baito kokwana igoro obo ngai ni gosomia bantu inkyora snake inkyora kole asing ntyo ko gendere maybe non takenkwanire asing ntyo kwana na maji a big issue about water asakuru kumosora na buwe supply na ya maji kwa na Ogembo municipality Ogembo ya onjuru kwa municipality masike west na kuna municipality I was talking no mwezi mwe Paradiso ojo kwa ambera bachi tendere oyitogo share macha ya is a beneficiary ya macha akuru musora omusoro bai kunyanywa there is an issue of which na kwana na mosis bwa match currently akangeresa what is going on after na very soon in I will do a public parasa by rest the findings na nyoli egera macha ya kurwa salia abe krusne tangi na water points na committee ko ndenda macha yega ere trustworthy egera banta abanyoro bokonyi bwa maji ntubwata macha ande agocha giansa application akurwa sakuru kiobeg gere masike east lakini macha yega kunyu masike east na west egera babegeta macha paka chipa pinchi kolire paka tukatwara water points sakuru kugetareri yabo the issue macha taikonywebu reason abantu bakyowe bakaboria macha akurseito nakia kora na masike west what we need is a public participation whereby inche no moshibo motume Michael oyo kugamba masike east your classmate kiane of which we have talked tokole a combined public parasa yote ya bantu mata macha akupimwa acheki wasare kyobe yanyoro kanya sabe kita macha mango kubwa sayaiga so we are one people banche amacha ya tumeke both words igonga mato kukwana nabantu baitu bagoita baiga amacha ya kuruta puga chaka koraki chaka gocha aya narale sakuru kyonseri so professor Machoge ari metune county then akabekero chisora chigatwara problem which is supposed to be rectified amacha na bako ganda paka sakuru kuri yabo na bako na baka inani na bako na kebuko through gravity gomanga chi project nchirororo but they are not functioning so once we are sworn in that will be my first responsibility abantu barongonyo bara amacha
ande bigombe nyari gane
ngokore kana bira
for you life korwa nyangongo junction kemisofi motange ode anwali me yomuroberi Elizabeth Zero korwa Turukana tebye umugambi ndomo nyore denere to tatatueba yari wede Elizabeth korwa Turukana ateba na mbako nyorede na etobeba Elizabeth mbe mwana Elizabeth ekaranda te kutuma SMS ya uja ase studio ninga rekodi ile chinde gaiga korwa ase mtandao jemba mbanda te kutuma rekora kwandango igoro yechichiro jirojo asensemo ya masike west jiro moshimo.
Can I tell you a surprise? A word yoke tabati mate chire te kwa kasete. Asingi njo sangirie bango na konyalo keti chibesa sinjo konyekini. Masike west tabati chire ndio sire kasete. Talinga teyo. Njiro. But ntianya kubwati ku chibe kwa sere cheste ito ya bosongo ekerebe se kwa roketu ye market. eto kana intunto buate
lakini jijire jaba
Bono.
ngoja bari bajoga
bono bo jogi bra mbororo lakini bono nchiri gasete lakini nchiri recognized officially so I'm looking at working Usikorento muswada galie as a county ojandete sana ase nchoko gasete musalia as a market renon matekere market ya bekru ngobe kwere committee igo your people gain kere committee ya be ngobe recognized ngobe bari gase kunya kwa musagalia because bonne recognized gasete na sakro kuri ya bagetale na tobeke market na tora gasete chibere it will be proper because abantu konele baroro abantu mpatagete banyola services ase chiro ne what services chigo chekere ya bere gaseted igongo tema to gasete getare to gasete na musalia ase nginjo yobo koleri na abantu bana babikonyora ekwenda sasa ile gochora singinjo kwa buse chire yo kubekirwa mache na development ile goche kompatana nechi nechiro we will gasete to markets at least na maybe the tari wana kulbi musora
ngono bati miroberie
chiro ero raso ko gasete agana barabanya market committees na barabara chake ko benefit immediately
engineer Vincent Maina out there engineer Vincent Maina abeli eju ya over tuned live from Bosasa ba Central Ward. Redi Mheshimiwa Jacobo and my MCA Honorable Moraja join hands to enlighten Kisii County at large. Oingorwa se jirani ya ba Central ya Ukurwalia. Moroma Espone out there following you live from Nairobi #mapema mbia. Master Labano Nyariki kindly ask kiongozi how is going to ensure the security of our businessmen and women operating within the small market centers like Nyabisiai, Getare or Orogale. It is more so in terms of returning to keep them operating late kidogo instead of them closing at exactly 7 p.m. I mean,
chita chiritie market. So number one, akara kwa gasete market benefit chicho automatic like if you have musali as a gazetted market within Masike West kwa wari chitaya ngoro sigere market committee ngucha akira ko benefit kwa gachwere you see to kwa gachete hiyo so these are big spaces chira available abantu nkone baroro mbapwa tunanasa ba okendera so once we gazette musali to gazette getale nere kurukuro gale mosora patura chakire chibere because na chiri chine nake automatically what you will see is a structure ngonyole chobono asa abafanyikazi aba kolibia sabako kora kibako gana ebange ngusangiri wererenge patinga nyora machi ngore ntwara sayo asenge ntire ndego sibinyanya chiri na ken bono go growth na kortek nero uturacha kira ka settlement tumai go choko beka chitaye chiga na pia go chikini bono akira mate kwa bereka setted bona botokolenta abantu baito banganya kuri nyama chake abantu banganya kuri mugonga no gembo bacha okore biashara roro at the end of the day the word yakini
Bauro Obuya out there tuned from Orogale na out there annually Yumurbil na out there Brighton. My happiness is that our county is going to have young brilliant visionary MCAs who are going to assist Yetaya. This is a good start for our county. Please, our newly elected young MCAs teach the few who were elected to see the difference by removing the rotten potatoes from the sacks. Kaki abana minto what is Yetaya. Good luck. Good luck. Honorable young man na wakorokai go kabisa oinya simi kujinsa mazicha nyanjwa hawatena mobwati Yetaya rende county enyarege komesa Yetaya terima areas nyaiga kurwalia Nyabaro Barongo ataweza please ange kidogo chuna talents maana itasaidia vijana hata au kwa ndaka talent engwa kwa na lakini boko na boko mendegroji talent kurwase NSMU ya Masike West mimi mano yanda utoma jujumbe jenu ukura kwa ne ya talent suma kwa ndege ndo kende
bas ama na talent to kwa nanga we will but talent does not meaning abantu batike gosoma so for those ones who are in school na bantu bwato mwana umya sana kulmusora obwata bakaga TV ka etibanga kyakora bwata YouTube channel that boy he got the form for this time he comes from my ward honestly is doing a good job bono na bata kirapa supported that's talent yekurusi ward yana recognized abana mbaro bantere to musiki kulmusalia those boys mbapwa tiento bagokora I told them what I would do gutakoli sara no motangani I will give them some money para record bona ba inje ba katelire bona batike kontera para record yo musiki asinje ko semi community I want to see them 5 years from now ba ko be bandi nene recognized kato wata na ngento songa baru na baru kato wata ko se any celebration no ba che bara because ba ko tera biasa they come back ku musalia band I will support them asing nti hotel bwabo na baimo kegoro tumanye go chamangana sports in terms of bona mepira tubata good people from there my good friend Justin Nyariki is working in KDF Cutters of Talent so these and so many things will empower people banyore this facilitation ya Kurese County all I am saying what we agreed na bona nto abaheshimiwa is to stop fighting obo kansala mbo erete and for your information abantu bachore tu abange ebale youths I think 70 to 80% they are below that 5 years bubasi eto bwata abantu bakutusemba babere omweshimiwa Sonye kurusameta mukorero oromo wakiri na former principal omwalimu Machuki oyole nere koru bas Bogetaurio the rest of us I could be the oldest Michael Matume is my age mate, Kurumasige East. We have Moracha is younger than me. We have Umashmiwa Bale is younger than me. We have Umashmiwa Sambo is older than me, but is a youth. So Umashmiwa Korunya Cheki, Onkoba is a young. Of course, he was a teacher. He resigned. He came back. So Abantu Bachol Rabange, they are young people. And what we ask ourselves, change, for example, Nabobasi, we throw a and we agreed as young people. Ntorenta di taribe egara bantu basi niko chora banta bake in future ko simbato te turas ko chora bantu bare yang number 2 to students pia bage abagen to te ko ita egente kinga muntu ta ko irana to te ko kolegasi na to te ko fair we ba ke to kana komito no mugabana we tell the governor niko ko rugo sene amagendero intuna babasi for example akokasi te babasi we want balance ntete ko bananya da mamu nganje tete ko develop bona mona ko boyonde abantu babasi yakuru kumuba mubasi we do balance development expect total change in terms of fairness montore Bogetaurio montore centro montore Masike west they expect nothing but total development and they're balanced ko go chabo na Masike west na jengo na so mura chaga go akwa na ba centro should be fairly the same egara abantu basunko baro ushuru na magendero na yabantu bonse
mbimono waterna mwajore tu youth gwenda se parliament ye Kisii County tibagaria basa bono ndiri abasa abande bareska irolindiri ase obukoreri bwino mwishimo
number 1 ntaite ko request yabasa abaitu into tore Facebook mono into tore Twitter into tore TikTok number 1 into babangu kurta amagena I talk to my youth bari nyansa kigali kana gena matanga nkabatebya oburaye bogutugeku I am a human being na banda akora magoso ekora tindi nyasaye what you do as youths kwanza we are lacking for the first time in Kisii County you have almost 70% representation as a youth what you do you support me Nande we have regular sittings whereby toko consultani mpa support in terms of projects togende county to be kumuswada in terms of correct onya manto toteba monto somete mnabona roche what you're trying to do through Simba is fairness you are qualified go ja for example of a person who has a D- or you get to moisonde attend the monto you get to 2014 utanya ko promoted that's unfairness that's unfairness fairness demands that onye rank ko cha kerjo group E as a clerk you start and grow regardless no mai tomo sokole teki tomanyeti because kuna sheria na inchi mna nacho no mwamsi na inchi kole party yana umo chumba kole party yana by so doing 20 pito koraigo esna korra magoso you talk to me because we are open chikure na ligeti in the open chitrangi ko gana batuko nyumba chabantu na ngoli chikura getigoro mwaso igoro na kwana wacha kwanda mororo na go sababu kwa brenye tu internet tu agandra that's the kind of leadership we want so our youth balibali score number 1 para support the county assembly but to critique positively is to akora magoso but imbaba na number 1 go to fight because I want to do this work nyekole buya agero musaya onde nere obwate na yara maroranga kana cha koma musio Masike west na nchengo koro mwaka na osne tananda cha koro sinikomi nsuke na ndendiki kende no musayo yonde abantu bamwamini nganye cha kobole ngomo kaka kora na nabakokora but you see if you fight me agara tin kolegas ntakore tigas abanga bali nkampa ko cha kuamini musayo yonde so when you go to kobora yoboiga okonga device correctly to kombwate sia asama gosare gwantebia muna youth ito ko trusted
program sinjire morabeke gosora abeke mweshimiwa chira konye youth ntari bonse ndo sibake
yes nchirororo like I talked about abantu mparo for example bana baminto balenkale you see if they come together I was telling them murachoroche amo to chakre boda boda kwanza I want to tell you something I did that I'm still doing abantu boda boda some people thought na alenge kungaendelea I offered myself to give 1 million to create a sacco ya bana boda boda which we agreed on how to use this 1 million. We have spent some money. The balance, I'm coming to launch that. Gugurande, I cannot go to foundation yane. After to have sworn in, the immediately to swelling in, I am not planning to do anything. But I will have to open my foundation. I have registered Ekrukona Bagaka Jacob Foundation. As I am talking now, already gave what 10 tisato, Egatware Rogomi and Biri, Egatware pickup. And I'm buying Negalina to me a campaign what a speaker. I'm putting the macros to the community. I'm opening an office, Yana personal, foundation Yana. Through this foundation, I'll bring in friends. Bane, mwana request riyo mugaba na Obungoma, who is my close friend, Ken Rusaka, who has been, I brought him some time back, Igakisi. I want to bring him. He's giving me a date. Ache, tuchangere, abana yuti abaike. Once tukuba changera, is my friend, and Jinko Mokonya, Tokonya, and Uchinto Kamanyete. Once he comes, how changera and yuti abaike. Through this content they will create. Abanta, they will be able to lend themselves money internally, Baswamiaba, Abana. Because Boda has supported me a lot, and most of them are youth. To my coach, youth, Abana, but is border. Abono bande balenka, maybe they are learned bande bachito kwenye masomo bia. I told them to be in groups. Kila sababu kile create one group, lakini register. Mpaka kwenye for registration because it's very little money to register a group. Once you are registered, what I will do, maintenance of these small roads. Injeto village rotochiroka. Kwenye kwa simetare legal. Na bonko bahasa group bakora, egera bagenda bakana county. Number 2, na moko create group, mba donate chingo kono nya 50. Mobeke gesumu, mwachirage liamo, mwamanye konyorama Tokyo, December mwachi onirigo rikotek direigoro. Amana yobolemi. Na moko nyora one of the youths within the 50 people in the group was 30 obwate so obwate bolemo. You come, you work together as a group, you put a project, mba entre chia bakade chikiana ngasimuke tegali korende, mba chisidingi no nya 50 osemia. Motari kogora. Moro sichi bakonya as a group. There are a lot of things we can do together.
Chako bono muntu naro rabodi na ki ayabone ni beyenga yugorgosi watere million ngwa da boda bare kwa chiri busato kayo ngai chako bakurusie ni be na bomo ndara bodi.
Number 1 chibesa nya sawo koronya kwenye tomaite. Ne chibesa no nyana no bwate. The difference ya bantu is your belief. A belief ya nere tofauti. Nkwe boshorimo ositwese pinto torale. Ekero monta asirire na njengo atani matanga sana. Kero monta asirire. Tibari gota bachi basire ngabwate. Amatanga muna matanga na chete masige east recently most watu tose torenge basa. People said nkwara osetia basani. Orali rekina osetia basa? Basani. Toka changali kweli ba mseto ngo batatu. Tibarika myself na honorable Mutume. Kuru different words. Why? Most watu yo akorete gasiae na akorete basana na mokoleng. So the biggest thing you can gain in this world. Most watu yo kurecho Ruto said if you want to be happy for 2 hours, you sleep. You go if for 2 hours, you will forget about your problems. But for 2 hours, 2 hours. If you want to feel important, to feel rich, to feel happy for 1 year or 2 years, get very rich. Otenenge kabisa for 1 year na boko igwete buya, ochoruba musio igubuya, okona kwa etogia. But if you want to feel happy eternally paka kaochorale kuruweso weko buyense, assist people.
Ikono konya bantu.
Kero konya bantu tiniko konya kubamba tibasi chinyinge. But that's the man nango chakwana ngache kwa wasegete. But for what for? Nimbwate nyombe simeta na bange kontara lichiru mukomi yosna yamongora. So nche enjera maybe na iburu tuere tofauti. Actually kana kwa seito. Any polling station ingogenda. Orange ra bangra bagonsabera. I don't have any reason to keep money.
Foundation nero bwade.
So I am a businessman.
I'm
a businessman, not a small one. I do business in 7 countries. So as a profiteer in Konyora, diba kanko linjibieka na bonko abantu bami.
Biashara kivyo mheshimiwa kwa kia na bwana nyono mtandao turiki de nere biashara hivyo.
No, basically biashara biane, we go facilities management, maintenance. I work mostly with banks and factories. Njengo kora Unilever, njengo kora Coca-Cola, njengo kora Diageo yeko ku Kenya Breweries, njengo kora Standard Chartered Bank ne chibengi chinyinge. So my business is typical competition in ene mone chinde. I think my company could be, if not the only, maybe 2 or 3 of them in the country geography asare.
Mbiwono mheshimiwa. Now then water is the main problem at Mosora. We shall feel happy when you solve the common who benefits themselves from society projects. Yani abakurume bali ba chiconmanship. Bali ba benefit kurwa si project ya serikali na ba minute yo inoguta Jeremia. Nyariki nera Beldoch nyariki wa tena foro lia nyabaro ni inani with Madam Esther Barongo Bagaka Mama Jacob mapema mbia following from Ria Nyabaro Inani with Madam Esther Barongo Bagaka. Oyo mama minoko.
Ina na mama.
Oyo mama minoko na Batubwati kabisa wate na mapema mbia muna mama asokondra kutubwati. Dipora Miyungu KNP abasa we must check on our morals. Sisi ndio wa kwanza kurusha viongozi mawe on our social media platform. Let us desist from such acts and support our leaders in the bid to work for us. I like how Mheshimiwa is really planning his work in the 5 years come. Mheshimiwa twara kwanira bono tura na se county akeigo bontura na to machiko ba se leadership ye county. Mo speaker daracho ruga boniga ase bunge ya ruantu arana chise ginchi alengo. Bona yo Mheshimiwa Masike West. Na no chiko na chise gije ndere chira no na magendro. Insi.
Bono namba yamo me binda resra abategereri na kie county assembly ku work eto wate turunga the County Government Act ye wate bono ye kolenta bono establishment of the county through to executive to na into abantu babunge. So county assembly is very independent gasi to no kolosirichiko da policies na kuwetia magana budget egere tokonye executive nyaka bako gas implementation yechi project ne binde koruna executive gwetero mugabana deputy governor na abantu baya bakole bari tokurunga chief minister ne chief of state governor chief permanent secretary. So into bwata monto ko clerk na CEO ya bunge clerk igal employment are employed in government permanent and pensionable na bwata deputy aye na obisi ane bwata afanya kazi bali kina serikali barabo aye no choro wa musina bako genda rakibaro no bale korteki na obale tumaya go check tengo kende ki elected leaders elected leaders ni nto aba MCA to represent chigodi 45 to form a county assembly neither no gender will have either gender will have at least a third of the members in Maria. Muna currently mas babasi ngima amini tari babasi county akisi ebwata 44 elected male members of county assembly and one lady Petris Baba. So it means we cannot sit asiki pasubati mbakorotiki bayo. That's why we are waiting for nomination. We are expecting 24 nominated MCAs. Bacha ko form one quorum, most probably all of them could be women and others with disability. To make a form house. To form house, you got the first business to jakora is to elect a speaker. A speaker never know which kobo maneno ito. Oto tatenera. But it's an ex official. Meaning tali mo MCA. No monto kawaida ulisiko gaiga, lakini upata qualification nchiro achibekira seri feritivo. Aba anta banke work interest. Ntoga ndatonya kubaligereria. So once the day comes, aba MCA mbai moke bachore yokonyora chikura chinyinge nayo tokotorere gasi bono nande intuna aba MCA tokochore deputy speaker ole among us achiko konyo mo speaker ekere kero gonchen kolike bono
what deputy speaker
yes bono oyo nero chikokonya omo ex official yabantu achorole ole speaker egera ba colleagues asengi choko ndri assembly yeto gochi motwe. So basically na beko work but within the assembly na nto bwate majority side to na minority. At the moment majority ebwate chama chichenga ndasimio mugabano ito ari ndasimio nto bwate ODM to UPA to Wiper to na Kenya na some independent members of county assembly ba gwanja bari kusaba koreki isaba gocho.
Lakini bone executive ne moju abuna o mheshimiwa no ju gwanja executive to raise gi aba se miake era kurumega executive ba kumnyoka na assembly bina o mheshimiwa no ju gwanja na kwa vero mo deputy speaker nyasa ka wanja no ju gwanja mangana yijibura ase assembly.
Bono number 1 abantu bachole tubaminta abashimiwa honorable members from the 45 wards. Most of them are learned na kwandegente kinga abantu bakora bachole bari tofauti sana. I think you'll find out of 45 almost 40 babati degree. Meaning umuntu lente nduma tana role exposed esegiteyo. Number 2 tuomeranira. We met in Nairobi aba MCA bonds. We agreed this nto ikuruana. We can only argue, we can discuss, we can debate, but we cannot fight. Because ego Zimbabwe ate no koraband. Ego limbo ate no koraband. Ego ento bosiko mairura ate kurumate ga nyaribali. No koraband. There is no one ochete kurwani gabana, osochete kurwani bagaka. All of us came to serve our people. Nekete to serve abanta baito, abange baito to yang. Most of these people want to come back. Abashimwa batatu kurana back, abana batatu otiro chumbe, abana senator and all those things. people want to work for the people. The kind of leadership we got this time, from the governor to the DG to the senator. Can you imagine a meeting in Nairobi? All these people came. The women rep was there, the DG was there, the governor was there, the senator was there. And all of them, when they were speaking to us, each one of them, yani aligitanga tokonya bantu. Wako nyana njomu MC nta denkonya bantu amasi west. Oyo kalikuruba centro muracha ta konya bantu. Obari the same, Michael the same. So all of us to what interest beka. So we agreed there is no fight. No any government to amutera we are going to support you as long as this video you got like okay and though what we can say our work is oversight nero as long as a governor munega and rete okora biyiga na ndio orokire goodwill our work is to support him ukiro kenda go fight okora
namukumusira
yes
bono mwishimiwa gwatebe nego sira mune simba nene kero andrede ko ronge na ukoro bukurumi na korora bali batali getu asejerengia baruoro ase beiro umuntu nabara burina akero segiye gendete iga yokuroni bukurumi na mabagana ni mokorigi mobeka bantu baino igente gine kene gose no bukuru butete gosiriu
intetenda ikarasa mukutana on dons na governor kusnaba msiba minto because normally governor is very open normally to mekutana ito komera tore twins normally it has caucuses to watch caucus chipati nyomba osimna a whole assembly ata yo msio ndo bwensi asabiriri bakali yokolikwa usata yo governor ato promise ngana chato abantu torike what everyone is crying for ne basari because once you empower these people basomia abana Gintu gina ndekene chiko sinye because abana bakwasoma tengo libale mbere mama munaira se hange taras mebe county assembly our aim boniga tariko liko monto yo our aim no 40 chipesa mong no lio kalenka anyora magendero ayagu kuna kiromo monto iko netinda igumonto otagetenga todo
tarima
bagakoligwa
nega se okoro
ena gote be control of budget oyo tenete budget ya itorende nationally na bago to chipesa ko che county give an advisory inga kisi county mwese ko ndekire muri geta abantu abangi mokora tuchibe sio mwira mwaka na bante mishara basini mo okora magendero kwa na tuchibe chibes what Simba is doing is to implement the law tichi ko tanga 35% to wage bill ka 65 agenda sama magendero
mbiyo no mweshimiwa nindo jega na rogona haitariki wa nyangusu basibo Bogetaurio, congrats, Honorable Jacob True. Your vision, strategy, vision, there will be a great change, as I'm sure sharing ideas with my area MCA Ibrahim Majuki. But there will be a great change. Let the will of God be upon you as you will serve the people of Masige. Oyaute amana mokwatera na Majuki Ibrahim Majuki nabo ebinto because my dear say ensemeyo nino jamba ndrede gotuma Lilian Autena, your actions inspire us to dream more and run more. Indeed, you are a man of substance. Keep it up. Ask Mheshimiwa, what about Nyabaro Secondary School? We have a big problem there. Time problem kika Nyabaro no nyamaite anene lakini ene national lakini no nyamaite lakini boko in French.
Yes, normally what happens with schools to together kora ECD but as a leader or with the community ngobora assimilated to almost all the communities teach school you are free as a leader kana yokora abantu we intervene. I am aware of those facts teach school njiro cheto chibwate because of the committees akonyora abantu baote banga committee egocha gose by transpana kebesa kegocha baba kana tuya kora yagenda sometimes konyora bali mebadelese because committee take waliereri but get the principal na secretary ya board so since they are going to bed with them bono tata so as a person I will do what you see Simba is doing here. He has empowered us to do it in our wards. Ebu kuyoka totara mukigoro. Muna nchebe kutara kenda libera muna kwenye mukiga. I will go back to my ward. I will go to every dispensary. I will want to see what the committee is doing. I want to see what the doctor who is posted there is doing. I want to know each challenge ninki. Nko enda, nko suru challenge hiyo. Kwa contento wat Mario. Nko chanko nyora Mario nko lenta. Bona yobe totoke gazi, I will bring my report ntenga mutagete monto yega. So I will do my part. Muno mokoleri yobo. To the extent that bang eta support because even to be talk mna community mna wana nyabisia mo MCO lengoro ro ngaketa tete kwa uchukura akacha komoro moro mtare sita tichiko jiwa kutare tisa akamoro moro mu ebituse so tatia bantu mo achukura ma aratanga motanga etikura tindi kwara moro mu imo weta so but mbata nyote kura. You know, I had to go and use my money.
Okanyora.
Kwa about 3-4 kilometers. So sometimes eto kwerwa because one abantu bange gweta, what do you do? So we'll continue working together. I will support where I can, and where I need the community to support me, maybe to take mwalimu geto take colleagues and to amokwanire. But all I want to talk about is about discourse. Oko gande school weyo otagarre committee otagarre when or na advice yao because I've told you I'm a business person. I've run a lot of businesses. I have some good experience. I am learned ba so metigo tere emechango yabo. So I will also give my expertise and opinion to have and have some time. I will motivate my students. Na bona I will go back to my schools. I will go to candidates imba kuna mukatine soda mpakwanire by encourage.
Kato digari dita ya motokoro mheshimiwa ekero tukwenda ebunge seka tukwenda tabaka ndati group an example tabaka tukwenda tabaka toko mayana tabaka eko tambuliwa ne wale kereko ligere ne wale aso twende maski west ningi kerekera tambuliwa se emabu yense
bono currently there's nothing much to identify for. So we are good producers of tea. We are good producers chai mono na matoke abarimya bange masipeta matoke but I want 5 years chocho mboli swali elio ekeje konyoranga tocha kutambulisha njamane chi avocado to what the biggest producer
identity
bona yote chi avocado bona sebo ni garo tipo tinto da tebe but
akineta kerekobo
ingita kerekobo but I want to be the word egocha kutambulika asoko ni magena akukurbaka jinda gachi gocha goya magena yani magena tote ko sadisha magena mange na mangana ichi avocado chias I would try as much as possible egara abantu baminto bas make chi avocado ichi 5 years to come gocha kombolisi wali I will tell you
sawa ekaronte turwenga nayo yo mwelio say hi to mheshimiwa I can testify he has good heart mheshimiwa he has embroidered men Kenyan if possible naomba namba yake oyego kuna engineer Herbert now they barende na maite bitendo kwa kore na ningusabale enamba yao. Hi, I'm Joshua Atati. First of all, I congratulate Mheshimiwa Jacob for the good is planning to the youth and the society at large. Mine is to wish him well and God protect him as him and his family. Please give him my number. I have much to share to him. Biamono ekeromendrete ko tomaje SMS inu ya sister to ko rabo lakini mheshimiwa Aru engana yayo mwere ase second year.
Asante sana abantu baminto bamasige abatagerera kwanza bons be TV yaito ya Ndis TV namba ya mambo ya mnasoko ndangelia namba ibera bagusi baminto tiato sege station yaito egana eragenda mutwe ngorole chikabira chinde bako ule TV yabo yase ukabisa twanya kunyiri bakaba gara matega na intugusi murabona twanya olere taye kurukusimba oito tete gose bakabe president nyasaye ka wanje kamurangi TV kitu ne kiranya koba chikona tabantu baitamo tunyako batokurigereria nabo go support inche muna chakobo ntete gwakira abantu baminto ba Masike West mbuya mana sokonchora na kubwa mono mpate binga tobe bit patience tobe abantu bo bara kidogo e plan to bwate mune county government nengiya asemole na bera irenga kidogo kubwa muna mwakagerete asengi ntora bana sworn but all I can tell you the 5 years we are heading to nyasaga totobo moyo will the biggest change era rokana Masike dio liko mutu ndibara chiko etani but kuruma yaga ya mara rokende ngokora toro bokoli boroba nene nimpa tulet mwensi be equally nimbe nko bategerera na nento kwa na mangana mange but for now I wish you the very best tenya sabas na nande kwa mentora
miamono majumuri gonu gwetena mapema mbia Mheshimiwa Jacob tutebirina lya ngito jokora sebunge ase award ya Masike West yigotoka sebunge ya Bobas county ya Kisii kertwa kwa nenera mange na to akirembe mena kro kwachora kuri ya Ndis TV nero bansumuzi na botame ko tene ente kiane gyansune gyansuna ni okikotoka me ya Ndis TV nero bansumuzi enda kubati merobereto ya kirali tuko anene gato kwa tele meroberio me ya o kera nae okoba munento kera chinga kigo genda ko tobwati asenjeri mitandao tonyora Facebook Ndis TV News digital boga sensemo ya YouTube na botonyora Ndis TV News twara oborigiribya ime ya Ndis TV nero bansumuzi ko twara ngina sara nyarango tita somoroberio yo tigabono nande turakorera abo no tokoringere bisero eliane Brighton Makoli.